Hey there. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use one of the a cool little feature we have in our system called Person Finder. So we'll come here to the address book and you'll see this is really useful if you know the name and city and state of someone but you don't have their specific address. So we'll come in here to Person Finder and I'm going to show you on a pretty well-known name, Steven Spielberg. So he's someone who, you wouldn't expect to be able to access his information. However, if we go Steven Spielberg, Los Angeles, California, boom, this is his business manager. I believe this is his production office. This is his home. And I'm not quite sure what these two are. That's probably not him, and that's probably not him because it's a PH and rather than a V. And so the cool thing is once you identify the person, all you do is click import and it puts it directly into your address book. I will, a word of caution, it is not 100% accurate, and so let me show you. I'm just going to use myself as an example. So this is me. I'm also in Los Angeles, California. I select that, and so this is me. This is a former address of mine, and that is most definitely not my age. I was born in 75, so it does show the proper year, but I am not 75 to 79 years old. So, just a little word of caution. But it can be really useful if you, as I said, have the person's name and the city and state where they live, but maybe don't have the specific address, and for whatever reason you don't want to ask them if you're sending a surprise or if it's a cold reach out or something like that. So that is a quick overview on how to use our feature Person Finder.